Okay, it's a little heavy, guys. What the heck? Oh! I almost couldn't dance for the rest of the season because my foot almost got smashed. Anyways, so if you couldn't already tell, I got a mattress. I have been desperately needing a mattress, and would you guys believe that a whole full-size mattress fit in a tiny box like that, and I could actually carry it? It's kind of surprising. But I'm just happy I got a new mattress, and this mattress is very convenient. It literally has like a little opener right there, and Sim's here. If you couldn't tell by the meow, I don't think he likes me very much. Anyways, I need to open the mattress because I want to start setting it up so I can have a good night's rest today. Because of, unfortunately, I school tomorrow. So let's get to opening this. What the heck? Oh, hold on, I'm scared. Okay, simple, I get it. Oh, guys. Okay. To get this off, it's a mattress, guys. If you guessed that, congrats. Guys, look at my new mattress. I can't believe I finally got a new one. I've had that one for way too long. But yeah, this one's actually really cool. It like adapts to your body shape, size, and weight. My other one didn't. It was just very like flimsy and weird. So I'm pretty sure that caused like all my back pain because it didn't do anything for like comfort wise at all. That's probably why she gave it to me, because she wanted me to suffer. Anyways, it also has like hundreds of individual like pocket coils, so it's very like stretchy and bouncy, and like I said, like it adapts to all your moods. You can lay on like your back, your stomach, your side. I'm a side sleeper, but sometimes I sleep on my back. It kind of depends what I'm doing with my hair. If I'm doing heatless curls, I'll probably sleep on my back. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It also has like a thick layer of like a breathable knitted cover and multi-layer foams for a balance of softness and firmness. So yeah, as much needed for my broken back. This mattress is also skin friendly and is free of harmful substances, so when you're sleeping on it, you won't have to worry about like getting sick or like catching a disease or like breaking out or anything. Like, it's literally perfect. And guys, I finally found the right mattress for me because this provides targeted support from head to toe for all night comfort and pressure relief, so I will not be waking up in the middle of the night feeling like my back is getting broken in half. And guys, do you want to know the secret ingredient to this mattress? It combines foam comfort with inner spring support for a medium firm experience. And now it's time for me to put the sheets and finally like dress the bed because it's looking a little naked. But first, I need to actually get ready for bed because it's getting late, and I just want to take this makeup off because I've had it on for like way too long. So yeah. Hey guys, good morning. I'm scared. I actually slept like really well, surprisingly. Like, the mattress actually is so comfortable, and I actually got good sleep, so hopefully I won't be tired today. I didn't wake up like at all in the middle of the night, and it's like 6 right now, so I got 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 10 hours of sleep. That's good. So, yay for me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna have to go start getting ready for school. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you, Z-HOM, for sponsoring this video. I love my new mattress. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.